This campus is huge. I wonder who can help me.
I can help you. I can help you. Look, this is science advising. You're gonna go here to find out what classes you need, what clubs you might like. Anything you need, they're gonna help you out in there.
Who are you? Hi, is this the math department?
It actually is the math department, and that's what you're gonna wanna do after advising. Get to know the department, the administration, the faculty, and even the chair.
How'd you get here again?
I just can.
Is this the physics club?
Actually, it is. You've made it past advising and the departments. It's really important as a student that you find all the clubs in the university that really apply to you. Here you can rest, relax your head, and actually meet people that are doing what you want to do.
Why are you doing this to me?
It's my passion. Hey guys, it's Reyes. Thank you so much for watching this small little video about advising, departments, and even clubs. We really want the college experience to be a second home for you. Stay tuned for some more videos coming soon.